Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, the 25th, I believe, of September, and we're outside on making some preparations for Hurricane Helene. I'm going to be battening stuff down and moving my pepper plants and a couple other plants inside my standalone greenhouse. And I thought it would bring you along to show you exactly what I'm doing. So Hurricane Helene is projected to be a potential category 3 storm. So what I'm going to be concerned about is stuff that isn't heavy and will not be blown away per se. Stuff like my pepper plants, my papaya plant here, and all my empty containers that I have sitting over here. So the first thing I'm going to do is to take these containers and set them in the greenhouse. Okay, now that we have my containers inside, empty containers inside the greenhouse, we're going to take my callaloo plant and my papaya plant and place them in. And I'm also going to water them because it may be a while before I can actually water them. So give them a good drink as well. So these are the plants that I'm most concerned about moving. The majority of them are pepper plants. We have my jalapenos. We have the cayenne pepper, cayenne pepper down at the end. We have the Scotch bonnets. We have the Algae Douce pepper. And we have another pepper that I forget what type it is. We're going to take all of those and place them inside the grow tent as well. So all of the plants have been placed into the back of the greenhouse. I wasn't able to water them, or I didn't water them rather, as I came in. I'm going to go ahead and use my hose and water them one last time before closing everything up. So everything is in. All the peppers that are plants that I was really concerned about keeping, they're all safe and secure in the standalone greenhouse, and I think they'll be okay out here. I bought a broccoli plant in that was there as well, and a eggplant that I had literally cut down to ground level that has started growing back. So as far as the raised beds, I'm not overly concerned with them moving whatsoever. Now, the plants, on the other hand, will probably be significantly damaged, and that's okay. We have seeds and we can restart. The green stalk, I'm slightly concerned that it might be blown over depending on which way the wind blows. It is heavy. I've had it withstand other storms, but this particular storm is supposed to be directly aimed at us, and it's too heavy to move. So we're going to try to ride it out, and we'll see. You'll find out as soon as I find out how it survives. The okra plants, we get real bad thunderstorms and they get blown down. or blown over. So I'm expecting these to be blown over. I have them tied up, and they stood back up, but we'll see. And as I said, I'll let you know when I know. So I want to thank you for coming along with me and showing you how I did my prep work for my container plants, my peppers and squash, I'm sorry, eggplant and broccoli. And I think they'll be fine inside the greenhouse. It is tethered and cemented into the ground, so I don't expect it to move much, or anything like that. And I think we are prepared as much as we can be for this storm. It may be a minute before I'm able to make videos again. So keep my family and others in the path of Helene in your thoughts and prayers. It is greatly appreciated. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. We are now less than 700 away from 50,000 subscribers, which 2-3 years ago, well, 4 years ago when I actually started gardening, YouTube wasn't even in my mind. 2 years ago when I started the channel, I was just happy to have 100 subscribers. But the channel has really grown and taken off, and that is a direct result of people watching the videos. I'm forever grateful to you all. If you haven't subscribed, take a moment to consider doing so. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.